Hi, welcome to lesson number 12, I think, part one. This is starting on page 30. So we are going to be looking at the Strum Builders 5, my pick's in my hand, and Cinco de Mayo, lesson 50, and Duke of Strums 51. So we have had a couple strum patterns that we've practiced. So we have a thing that's called syncopation. I think we started this a little bit with Rock Around the Clock. So so it's like where the rhythm is off a little bit. So syncopation is where you're going off a little bit. Syncopated strum, just what we showed you. So we will look at the basic down up strum. So this is a little bit different. And I have to admit, this is not a pattern that I typically play songs in. Okay, I think this is maybe more of a Hispanic Mexican style. But on this one, remember you do down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's just a normal strumming pattern that we might do. So like on a D7. A syncopated strum in this pattern, so we have strum pattern 1, okay, is going to be a little bit different. Up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, up, down. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So 1 and 2 and 3 and, or 1, it's hard for me to read this upside down and backwards. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Okay, I'll try it without doing that so it sounds better. So the syncopated pattern, I will back up here just a little bit so you can see my right hand. Okay, I'll just do it on, we'll just do a G. Okay, so syncopated strum 1. Down, up, down, up. So on this one, instead of doing down twice in a row, you're going to do up twice in a row. So we'll go slow one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Got it? Okay, practice that one a little bit. Now we have syncopation strum pattern 2. I won't show it to you, but you can look at it on your own book. This one's a little bit different. So in this case, we're going to do down, down, up, up twice. So we're going to have a break in the middle. So we'll stay on G. Well, we'll change it up. Let's do C this time. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 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 and 1. Practice that as many times as you need to so that just feels innate to you. Okay, it shouldn't matter what chord you're on. It's the right hand that's doing the work. Make sure, again, you're holding your pick. See my camera then. Have a little bit out and have it resting on your thumb and between your finger. Let's try Cinco de Mayo if you're ready. This is, again, page 30, exercise 50. Okay, so this one is down, okay, you got the idea. I'll count this off. We'll do it together. 1, 2, ready, go. Just added the G. Okay, did that make sense? If you need to slow it down and play it with me again, you can do it as many times as you want or need to. Let's do the Duke of Strum. Okay, this one is exercise 51. So this one is going to be that second syncopated pattern that we did. So it's down, down, notice here, it's not going to give you the up and down. You just have to feel that and know where those come in. You can write them in if you need to, but usually they're not going to write your pattern that way. You'll just have to kind of know it. But this is a pretty standard pattern that you might see for some stuff. So let's try Duke of Strum. I'll count us off. Watch my right hand. If you can't switch the chords, you can just try it again straight through again, but eventually you'll want to. So remember our G, E7, C, D7. So you got to switch. So you have thinking of strumming and switching your fingers. So hopefully your left hand is a little more innate to you. 1, 2, ready, go. E7. That make sense? Let's try it one more time. We'll do the repeat. 1, 2. We'll do the repeat this time. 1, 2, ready, go. How'd you do? There's a lot more to think about at this point, but again, as you do this, these are very common rhythms that you hear in songs. Just as it will become more and more innate to you as you practice and do that. I guarantee probably some of the songs that you want to learn to play are going to be similar to that, at least some of the maybe folkier ones. So give that some careful practice and consideration, guys. Thanks.